Good day, everybody. I'm going to install this ring cam. It's a Floodlight cam. It's Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is the name of it. Here's some of the things that it does. It's got two-way talk, motion controls, 1080 HD video, and color night vision. This is what it'll look like your ring app on your phone. You'll be able to see all your screens on there. Let's get started. Here's everything that came in the box. So it's got the light itself. Here's where we're going to wire it. It's got green, got for ground, and then your power for red and white. This is your base. You hook this, and then this will just snap into that. Comes with a screwdriver even, and of course some directions. As you can see, those lights are LED as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and replace this thing with the new ring cam. So I need to shut the power off to this thing first. All right, I actually turned the breaker back on just to make sure that this thing did have power, and now it does. Now I'll turn the breaker back off. Okay, there we go. Right there. All right, verifying again. So white's neutral. Here's our powers on black, and we're good to go. Let's go ahead and take this old thing off. Okay, when pulling this thing out of the box, this thing was actually turned up this way. So what I did is just move this light up, just move that light up that way, and took this, it was up here, and I just rotated it down there. Now I can put that light back. So that's how you want it sitting, with the ring logo facing towards you, facing up, so it sits like this. Okay, here's what I got, which is perfect. So everything on your ring cam, your black's gonna go to black, white's gonna go to white, your green is gonna go right here to ground. And we need to install this thing, so this is just gonna come up through there like that. And that center circle is gonna line up with that piece right there. I'm just gonna secure it this way. It's gonna go right through there. Hey, here's some other stuff that came in the box. It came in that little pouch right over there. So the screws, there's some screws for it. And then the piece that I just hooked into is here. I'm not gonna use this because we already have one. But if I didn't have that, I'd install this baby and put that screw right through there. And then we're just gonna put this on now. We're gonna go white to white, black to black, green to ground. One really nice feature here you'll notice is that this thing has this clip here. That's gonna clip right in there. That way it'll hold the thing while you're wiring. See that? That is awesome. You don't have to sit and mess with trying to hold it there while you're wiring the darn thing. That's great. Good job, ring. Okay, let's wire it up. Black to black. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. It already comes pre-cut too, so you just slide that right off. Okay, in the kit comes with these wire nuts. There's what the black wire looks like. We're gonna just go ahead and wrap it around that one and secure it with the wire nut. Here we go. Just twist it till you can't twist anymore, and you can't pull those wires out. I'll do the same thing with these other two here, neutral and ground. It's just gonna go white to white. Right where that's white. Even though it looks tan, it's because it's older, and then ground's gonna go right there. There it is, the wiring's done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll probably put some tape, or I'll put some tape or electrical tape around each one, and then stuff it back in that hole. Stuff it all back in there. Okay, now I got the wiring all secured and stuff back in there. Just gonna go ahead and line up those prongs there with the holes out here. And I'll put the caps on it. There we go. It's these ones here, and it's G. They give you 3 of them. Okay, there it is with those caps installed there and there. Now we'll go ahead and take our protective cover off that. Man, that looks really nice. Now we'll go ahead and connect it to the camera. I got one more to install just like it. Connect it to the camera. Don't forget to turn the breaker back on. You can see that light's beeping. It's got power. It just made a sound too. Didn't get here quite quick enough, but you know it's powering up. It kind of gave a keyboard sound. Okay, now that we're set up, we're going to go to the ring app here and set up the new device, and then we've got a new camera, so you just pick which camera that you want set up. It's a security cam, so we'll go there. And then we got to scan the QR code on our Ring device, which we have right over. Okay, you get to this point, and it says I'm ready to scan. There's the QR code right there. So you just push on ready to scan, and you scan the QR code. There it is. It'll link you up. It just had the address on there, and so I'm deleting that from the video. I don't want everybody showing where she lives here, and so we're gonna go ahead and put where we want this thing. We're gonna say garden, and I've removed the film already. Remove the protective film. Yep. Has your floodlight cam been installed? Yes, it's been installed. Okay, now connect to Chime Pro or connect to home Wi-Fi. So I'm near the device. We'll go ahead and do that, and wait for the floodlight cam to enter setup mode. Then we look and see. Yep. Okay, it's flashing. That's what we want. So it just gave an audible on the camera telling us it was connected to the mobile app. Okay, it just takes a minute to connect. 92%. All right, Ring wants to join the network, so we're going to join that.
May take several minutes.
Okay, the camera's talking to us, telling us it was successful, so we're just going to continue on. All this is successful. So now we should be able to get, oh, come on. And you can share it, but we're going to skip that for now. Add link devices. Okay, we are going to go ahead and skip that for now. Skip for now, and then I'm done. Now we'll have should have a picture right there. It says it's installing an update. As soon as that's done, we'll have a picture. All right, there's the video. There's the lights. It's got that nice soft white. I also want to show you, this thing has a siren function as well. So you just go siren and activate. It's going to be loud here. Okay. Now we turn that off. Okay, got notification because I'm in the way of that thing. So there's the nice video that this thing takes. And we'll just go ahead and go to the live view. Live, that shows you the current picture there.